Hello, Mudflap. Hey, Mudflap Idaho, 445, waving.
545, hey, Forrest Gump, you got that shrimp boat going on here in Idaho. I want you to know there.
Hey, 27, look like Mudflap talking to Gump. Hey, 27, Ratchet, 445, waving.
Good to see you there, Forrest Gump. I appreciate you waving in front of the flag to me, because you know I'm standing up. Hey, Forrest Gump, I'm standing up on this tater pile with this Forrest Gump radio, waving 4 and 1.
Hey, 27, you gotta watch out for these potato heads out there in Idaho, 445, back here in Gradient.
Plane, I'm waving.
Roger on that one, roger on that. Well, you have yourself a fine one, 527 Ridgecrest, California, waving in out there.
Hey, 527 Ridgecrest, California, 445, said you smoking out there in Cali.
Head forward there, Forrest Gump and the BAM. Appreciate it. You take care. Now, hey, Forrest Gump, I sure do like my Forrest Gump radio. I want you to know, I never did tell my neighbors. I never did tell my fellow CBers about that special modification you put in there. I want you to know, when they finally did hear it, they was real happy about it. They really liked that special.
Alright, what's really going on out there?
Forrest Gump, you know what I'm talking about.
Oh, San Diego's nosy. Come on.
520.
What's really going on out there on Channel 28?
California, and that's a big hit for there, Forrest Gump. Got it all. Did it all. Take care, Forrest Gump. Oh, Mudflap did it. On this Forrest Gump technology, custom made. I'm back quiet. Bump, bump.
Oh, you got a copy on the technician?
Hey, Mudflap Idaho, 445, waving.
What's going on?
Hey, 4 1/4, waving right back to you there. Good afternoon. Like always there, 4 1/4. You sound good up here in Idaho. Definitely waving right back. Hey, 4 1/4, top of the evening to you, or afternoon, whichever it be. Oh, Mudflap said it, and I'm back quiet.
Hey, Gump, what's going on? I think it's good to shine, man. You just came up on top.
Yeah, it's a big 10-4. Bump, bump.
How about it, Mudflap Idaho, 445, radio man waving.
I'm going to key down one more time. I'm going to key down one more time. I'm just going to run. I'm just going to run and run with this Forrest Gump technology right over the top of them radios. That's right, old Mudflap Idaho said it on this Forrest Gump technology, and I'm back quiet. Bump, bump.
Hey, Mudflap, 445, Mississippi, waving.
I hope you're enjoying your weekend.
Hey, check there, derail, I got it all. Yeah, old Mudflap Idaho said it. I'm back quiet on this Gump technology.